Graduation season is here, and there's no better way to celebrate than with a massive, beautifully designed photo collage. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a stunning 24 by 36-inch graduation photo collage from scratch in Canva. It looks super professional, it's way more interesting than a basic grid, and best of all, you don't need any graphic design experience. Grab your favorite grad photos, and let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size. Make sure you change the measurement unit from pixels to inches. Since we want a nice big poster, set the width to 24 and the height to 36. Hit Create New Design. Now, to make sure everything lines up perfectly without us having to guess, we're going to use custom guides. Go up to File, down to View Settings, and select Add Guides. Choose Custom. Let's divide our page to create a grid map. Set it to 8 columns and 12 rows, and give it a 0. 2-inch gap so our photos have a little breathing room. Boom! Now we have a perfect layout to build on. Now for the fun part. Go to the Elements tab on the left, scroll down to Frames, and bring in a basic square frame. This is where our photos will drop in later. Let's resize this first frame so it takes up a big chunk of the center. Maybe an area that's 4 boxes wide by 3 boxes high. This will be the main focal point for the absolute best grad portrait. From here, it's all about duplicating and snapping to the grid. I like to hold the Alt key and drag to copy the frame quickly. Mix up the sizes, some large rectangles, some small squares. Keeping it asymmetrical makes it look so much more modern and less like a boring checkerboard. Just use your guides to snap everything cleanly into place until the page is full. Now let's add a dedicated spot for the graduate's name and school colors. Head back to Elements, grab a solid square shape, and snap it into the bottom of the main photo. Let's make it pop. Click the color box at the top, select Gradient, and let's do a horizontal fade. I'm choosing the school's red color and fading it into transparent. Just drop the transparency of that second color swatch all the way to 0. Next, hit T on your keyboard to quickly add a text box. Type in the graduate's name, their class year, and maybe an inspiring quote. Choose a classy serif font that matches the graduation vibe. We don't need our grid anymore, so let's clean this up. Go back to File, Settings, and click Clear Guides. It's time to bring the design to life. Go to your Uploads tab and just drag and drop your photos right into the frames. Mix up those serious cap and gown shots with fun candids or even cute childhood photos. Double-click any photo to adjust its crop. When it looks perfect, head up to Share and click Download. If you are sending this to a print shop to get a physical poster made, make sure you choose PDF Print from the drop-down menu for the highest possible quality. Hit Download, and you are ready to celebrate. If this Canva tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more content creation tips. See you in the next one.